Okay, so one little thing with regards to overlapping interface, if I use my health potion, I want this chat box to appear above the inventory. How do I change the order that objects overlap in? Well, so if I go to my chat box script and edit that script, and I want, when I receive this display chat message, I want the text field and the panel, the chat box panel, to go in front of the inventory. The way I'm going to do that is using a block from looks. Down the very bottom, myself move in front of instance other. Myself move in front of instance other. So I'll grab that and I will pop that down the bottom here when I receive display chat. Myself move in front of instance other. Now there is no instance other. We don't know who other is, so throw that away. We will we'll find the inventory by its tag. We'll tag it as inventory. So if we go to sensing, we've got those tagging blocks. First instance by tag name, we'll use that. Myself move in front of first instance by tag inventory. So that will make the panel move in front of the inventory, the chat panel. Now let's duplicate this one so that we can also move the chat text, the text field. So instead of myself being moved in front of the inventory, let's move, actually let's throw the inventory one away for this one. We will say text field move in front of myself. Instance text field move in front of myself. So chat panel goes in front of inventory, text field goes in front of chat panel. Okay, now to finish this off, we need to make sure we tag the inventory as inventory, because if we don't, here's what will happen. We go and play this game and open up our inventory and use that. It gives this error. The chat box could not use the instance depth block because it couldn't find that instance by tag. So that's what that means. So we need to make sure we give the inventory tag to the inventory panel. So we'll close that, edit the inventory script, and make sure that when it's created, we give it a tag. From sensing, we want add tag, tag name, inventory. And now that should work without giving us an error because it knows what object it's looking for now. There we go. Worked nicely, overlapped perfectly, and we can close that. Good.